Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you some amazing ideas how you can make your fences in your garden look amazing and aesthetically appealing. Not only this, as you know that garden fences are a great option for those who want a natural and eco-friendly garden fencing solution. You can use a lot of other things such as plants like ivory, bamboo, or hedges to create a living fence. Not only they look beautiful, but they also provide shade, privacy, and habitat for birds and insects. Remember to use upcycled fences not only create look, but they are also very environmental friendly and cost effective. Remember to use fences that are cheap so that you can use them and can also make them to change in every season. As the fences you are using for wrought iron can cause a wear and tears in the seasons like rainy. So in such case, use a cheap one so that you can use and change it over and over again. Not only this, but you can use metal fences as well. Metal fences are a source of modern and sleek option for garden fencing. You can choose from different metals like aluminium, wrought iron, or steel to create a durable and long lasting fence. However, if you want to add a touch of creativity and whimsy to outdoor spaces, you can't go wrong with any of the above options. From upcycled fences to living fences, there are plenty of ways to make them one. Collaborate with your neighbor as well. To remember that walls are also very important. Fencing ideas may be of one way or another. Green color fences are very amazing. Also, you can add architectural designs to your fences. You can also add marbles to those fences as well. Not only this, you can add colors and different warm lights that enter from your fences. This would not only give a creative look, but also an aesthetic, yet a very modern classical one as well. Remember, the fences that you are using are very important one in this regard that you are using colors that combination are very important. Not only this, you can also add a lot of flower beds to your fences. Living flower beds can also be a source of fences as well. Outdoor aesthetic ideas also need to remember that outdoor spaces are well aesthetically maintained so that you can have a comfortable yet very warm housing solutions as well. Remember to use fencing that are of heighted. A good height fence is a very good source of aesthetic yet modern idea. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button for more DIY ideas. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.